Diversity of fish parasites in Assam, discovery and description of a new Procamellanus species infecting Ilia koala. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Assam, located in northeast India, is home to rich aquatic resources that sustain local fisheries and contribute significantly to food security and livelihoods. However, fish populations in the region are often hosts to various parasites, impacting both aquatic health and public well-being. This study focuses on helminth parasites affecting fish species in the Barak Valley, Assam, particularly the nematodes of the genus Procamellanus. During an extensive parasitological survey, a new species of nematode, Procamellanus spirocamelanus aeliosus N. sp. was discovered in Ilia koala from the Barak River. Morphological analysis was conducted using light microscopy, revealing distinguishing characteristics such as a barrel-shaped buccal capsule with unequal cuticular expansion, 9 to 10 spiral ridges, and a uniquely structured caudal region. Males exhibited 13 pairs of caudal papillae and a single spicule, while females displayed post-equatorial vulvae with embryonated eggs. The species was compared to existing Procamellanus members, highlighting key morphological distinctions from closely related taksha such as P. s. nanitlensis and P. gomti. Prevalence, abundance, mean density, and infection indices were calculated, with a prevalence rate of 50% in the examined fish. The findings underscore the importance of studying fish parasites in Assam, given their ecological and economic implications. This newly described species expands the knowledge of helminth biodiversity and highlights the necessity of sustainable fisheries management. Further research is required to assess the pathogenic impact of P. s. aeliosus N. sp. on local fish populations and its potential consequences for human health. Introduction. Assam, a state in northeast India, has rich water resources that support a wide variety of fish, which are an important part of local diets, culture, and the economy. Rivers like the Barak play a key role in both food and ornamental fisheries. However, many of these fish are infected by parasitic worms, especially helminths like nematodes, which can harm fish health, reduce their nutritional value, and even cause death. This not only affects fish populations but also threatens the livelihoods of people who rely on fishing. Some of these parasites may even impact human health. Recent studies in the Barak Valley have found several such parasites, including a newly discovered species found in Ilia koala fish. Understanding and identifying these parasites is essential for protecting fish health, maintaining food safety, and supporting the sustainable fishing industry in Assam. Conclusion. This study reports the discovery of a new species of parasitic worm, Procamellanus spirocamelanus aeliosus, found in the intestines of the freshwater catfish Ilia koala in Assam's Barak River. This parasite is part of a group known to affect fish health, and its unique physical features set it apart from known species. The discovery highlights the rich biodiversity of Assam's aquatic life and the need for more research on fish parasites. These parasites can affect fish survival and reproduction, impact the local fishing industry, and even pose risks to human health. Studying them also helps scientists understand changes in the environment, since parasite levels can reflect water quality and pollution. This research adds to our understanding of the region's fish health and biodiversity and stresses the importance of regular monitoring, sustainable fishing practices, and raising awareness about parasites to protect fish populations and the people who rely on them. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.